Sometimes it's the small details that make the biggest difference in a space, and this faucet is a perfect example of that. That antique brass finish is so beautiful, and it gives such a warm vintage feel to a bathroom. It's the kind of hardware that immediately elevates the whole space without a full renovation. And the quality feels really solid. It's made from premium brass, so it's built to last. It has 2 lever handles for controlling flow and temperature, which I love because it's such a classic look. Hot and cold are clearly marked, and the handles are smooth and effortless to use. There's no stiff turning or guessing which way to go. And this high arc 360-degree swivel spout gives you so much more clearance and access to the sink than a standard faucet. It is one of those details that just makes everyday use so much more practical and comfortable. From an installation standpoint, this is designed for a 3-hole, 4-inch Centerset mount, which fits most standard bathroom vanities. It comes with everything you need, including the drain assembly and supply hoses, so you're not running back to the hardware store for extra parts. And the pop-up drain stopper only has 3 parts, which makes installation really straightforward. One thing I also love is that this comes in so many finish options. So whatever your bathroom style is, there's a finish that's going to work beautifully. If you're looking to update your bathroom hardware without spending a fortune, this faucet is such a beautiful and practical choice. It looks so much more expensive than it is, and it functions just as well as it looks.